Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, ADHD, is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects children's ability to concentrate, control their impulses, and manage their hyperactivity. The following 5 steps are common symptoms of ADHD in children. 1. Inattention, difficulty paying attention to details, easily distracted, forgetful, trouble organizing and completing tasks. 2. Hyperactivity, fidgeting, difficulty staying seated, constant movement, excessive talking. 3. Impulsivity, acting without thinking, interrupting others, difficulty waiting their turn, blurting out answers before questions have been completed. 4. Difficulty following instructions, struggling to follow through on instructions, forgetful of tasks, prone to making careless mistakes. 5. Poor time management, difficulty managing time, procrastination, and rushing through tasks. It's important that many children display some of these behaviors at times, but ADHD behaviors are more pronounced and interfere with their daily functioning. If you suspect your child may have ADHD, it is important to seek a comprehensive evaluation from a doctor or specialist trained in ADHD. Like, share, and subscribe kidominochanel.